Despite inflation remaining stable in the EU, Europe's fish prices overall have mostly been on the decline due to abundant supplies on species such as shrimp and squid. The exception is groundfish, whose prices surged by 10% from September 2023 to August 2024. For price trends, shrimp and cephalopods experienced price declines due to strong production, especially from South America, despite robust demand in Mediterranean countries. In contrast, groundfish species like cod saw a 10% price increase due to reduced availability, with notable spikes in Italy. Tuna prices, particularly skipjack, dropped globally due to reduced demand for canned products, while yellowfin prices remained stable in some regions. Norwegian salmon exports reached record highs, but prices are trending downward due to softer global demand. On the import-export fronts, shrimp imports into the EU grew by 5% in the first half of 2024, driven by restaurant sector demand. Norway continues to supply cod, though prices dipped temporarily. Turkey and Greece dominate sea bass and sea bream exports with stable prices, except for larger sea bass, which saw a 10% increase in September. Regarding sustainability and market drivers, sustainability concerns are giving rise to seafood alternatives. Such products in trial are 3D printed plant-based calamari rings. Meanwhile, stable inflation and a strong tourist season in summer 2024 boosted seafood consumption in restaurants, with luxury items like shrimp, lobster, and crabs seeing high demand. Our recommendation to EU seafood buyers is to capitalize on lower prices for shrimp, cephalopods, and salmon by securing bulk purchases while prices are favorable, while being cautious with groundfish like cod, where supply constraints are driving prices up. Buyers should also stay attuned to consumer trends in adopting alternative sustainable seafood options, diversifying offerings, and meeting growing demand for environmentally friendly options. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe to our 3-Minute Market Insight for seafood updates and insights delivered right to your inbox. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This has been Anna, reminding you to buy smart and eat more seafood.